Hello everyone, welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop this 3D model in SolidWorks software. First, open new document in SolidWorks 2025. Go to the standard toolbar and click on this new and choose part, then click on OK. Now the new document is opened. First, we need to set the units. In this screen, go to the bottom of this menu and click on this IPS and choose millimeter gram second, because the given sketch all units are in millimeters. That's why I have chosen that millimeter gram second units. You can carefully observe this image. First, you need to construct whatever the shape is appear in the front view in the SolidWorks. This length is 75, this thickness 9 mm, and these two curved shapes radius are first one R15, second one 15 plus 8 23 radius, and this vertical portion width is 9 mm. Just you can draw the whatever the shape is appear in the front view as it is in the SolidWorks front view plane. Choose features, extrude boss or base. In that you have to choose front plane uh, and select center rectangle. First draw one center rectangle, then give the dimensions by using smart dimension. You can see here this length is 75 mm, this thickness or width 9 mm. 75, this is 75, and this width is 9 mm. 9, enter. Okay, after this you need to construct these two curves. So here I am using circle tool for constructing the two curves. So choose circle tool. At the center of this object, that means you can move this cursor along with y-axis and locate one point and draw one circle, and also draw one more circle. Then give the dimensions by using smart dimension. This major circle diameter is 23 plus 23, that means 46 mm diameter. 46 mm diameter. The small one is 15 plus 15, 30 mm diameter. So this diameter is 30 mm. Then click on enter. After this, uh, you can give the dimension for the center of this circle and this bottom base edge. That height is 40 mm. So by using smart dimension, this center point, circle center point, and this base edge, this length is 40 mm. Smart dimension, choose this edge and circle center point, that is 40 mm. 40, enter. Okay, after this you can draw these two vertical lines by using line command. Take line command. First draw one vertical line. Take line command, line tool, from this base edge to this circle point. Now click escape button. Then draw the one center line by using this center line tool from this axis midpoint to the circle midpoint. After this, you can apply the mirror to this line. So mirror entities, select this line. You can see here in the left side it's showing that options, entities to mirror line 7 with respect to this line. You can see here the line is mirror. Then click on OK. You know that this vertical portion width is 9 mm. Just you can apply the dimension by using smart dimension. You can give the dimension, you can select this vertical line and center line. This width is 4.5 both sides, so total is 9 mm. Okay, after this you need to remove the whatever the portion is unwanted, so that's why I am using line command. Just draw one horizontal line here, then click escape button, again choose this line. You can also draw to other side. Okay, after this you need to remove the unwanted lines or curves by using trim entities. Here you can choose trim to closest, then remove this this portion and this one, similarly bottom one, this one and this one. Next, top corner, you can also remove these two curves, this curve and this curve. Okay, after this click escape button or you can click on OK. Now exit from this workbench, then apply the width. You know that in the given figure this total width is 52 mm. In the left side, in the place of 10 you can give 52 mm with respect to mid plane. You can choose mid plane and total width is 52 mm, then click on OK. Okay, after this you need to construct this slant portion by using rib tool. So choose rib tool, then select the front plane. Now you can choose line command. You can join this curve top corner point and base corner point, then click escape button. Now exit from this workbench. You know that this width is 8 mm, so you can change 10 to 8 mm, then click on OK. Okay, in the given sketch both side having slant portion is there, so you can construct other side by using mirror tool, mirror with respect to right plane, then click on OK. Okay, this is the way to develop you can construct any 3D model in SolidWorks. I hope you enjoyed in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.